Hi guys, welcome back to 61 part of the Arduino tutorials. In today's video, we'll be learning how to use this eye blink sensor with Arduino. This is nothing but a compact IR sensor mounted with the glass, and the working principle is exactly same as the normal IR sensor module which we have learned before. So make sure you check out this particular video for better understanding. The sensor has one IR transmitter and one receiver. When we close the eyes, the transmitted IR rays hits the eyelid and reaches back to the receiver. And for this state, the module gives output as 0. When we open the eyes, the transmitted IR rays are absorbed and the receiver doesn't receive any rays back. This state will be considered as digital 1. So we'll interface with Arduino and see it practically. For this tutorial, you need Arduino board, eye blink sensor, LED bulb, and some jumper wires. I purchased all these project components from flyrobo.in. They have very huge collection of components and the prices are also reasonable compared to other platforms. Along with Arduino components, there are also other categories. So the single platform will help you to get all the required materials for your projects. Make sure you explore their products. I'll leave the link in the description box. Moving on to the connections, 5 volts and ground pin of the sensor goes to Arduino 5 volts and ground. Output pin on the sensor goes to Arduino digital pin 2. In the LED bulb, the positive goes to digital pin 11 and negative to the ground. That's all the connections. I'll also leave the circuit diagram link in the description box. Coming to the code, for detailed explanation, you can also check out this previous tutorial. Starting with the declaration, we have the sensor connected to digital pin 2. So I'll declare sensor pin and LED pin on 11. In the setup, we'll set the sensor pin as input and LED as output. Also, we'll initialize the serial communication to print the sensor values. In the loop, we'll read the sensor pin using digital read function and store this value into one more variable. As a first step, we'll just print and see the values what we get on the serial monitor. We'll upload this. I'll open the serial monitor. When eyes are open, by default, we are getting 1. On closing the eyes, the value changes to 0. Next, we'll use this 0 and 1 value and try to control the LED bulb. So now we'll try to add the logic to control the LED. We have to activate the LED bulb when eye is closed. So we'll check if the sensor data is 0. In this case, use digital write function. and make LED pin high. In rest of the cases, we'll keep LED low. So that's it the code. We'll again upload and see. As we can see, the LED turns on when eyes are closed and it turns off when eyes are open, which is working as expected. Also, instead of LED bulb, you can connect the buzzer on the same pin to get the alarm. So that's all for this video. I hope you got the basics of eye blink sensor. In my next video, we'll use the same and make driver drowsiness detection system project. Stay tuned and subscribe for more interesting videos. For code and circuit, you can visit the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.